Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will gonna show you guys how I do my brows. And yes, it's a very simple, easy, basic steps. I don't do too much for my brows because I'm grateful that I have bushy brows, so I don't do too much with it. So yeah, whatever the routine is, I'm gonna show you guys. So if you want to see how I do my brows, please continue watching. So I just use this kit. This is from Makeup Revolution. This is their Focus and Fix brow kit. This is in the shade medium dark. It's a very chotu compact kit. It comes with these I think 3 shades, and one is wax. So it comes with this angled brush and a pair of tweezers. I don't know where are my tweezers right now. So it comes with this, and yes, let's get started. These 2 shades, and start lining my brows first. And fill in my sparse areas. And then I'm using this wax to set my brows. And now I'm using a spoolie to just distribute the product evenly. And for the final step, I'm using this brow gel. It's a tinted brow gel. It's in the shade dark brown. This is from Colorpop, and I'm just gonna use it just a little bit. It has a tint, so it will give me some color and as well as just set my brow. And lastly, you need to clean the area so that your brows look clean, and for that I am using a Maybelline concealer. You can use any concealer basically. And with a step, I'm just gonna clean the borders of my brows. And with a damp sponge, I'm just gonna blend it. You can use your sponge or your fingers. Basically, it blends really well like this. Can you see the difference? It looks so good and so clean and neat. Yes, and that is it. I just do that much for my brows. And yeah, if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. I will see you guys next time. Bye.